In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make $1,600 per day from a Google search. All you have to do is go on to a new website and use this new Google trick that I will be showing you in this video. Now go to this website, which is called mindsumo.com. You can quickly head over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your web browser and typing in mindsumo.com. Don't worry, because you can do it with your phone, laptop, or computer. This website looked like a professional outfit. You may be wondering what MindSumo is. MindSumo is a solution provider website. Here, companies ask for the solution to their problems, and if you provide an idea or solution that really works for them, then they will pay for this. MindSumo website is all about crowdsourcing ideas from problem solvers. It's a platform that helps companies collect ideas from real people, and the problem solvers earn money for the best ideas. MindSumo is an excellent money-making platform for someone who wants to earn money online. In this video, I will show you some steps so that you can do it correctly. By following these steps, you can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day. This opportunity works worldwide. Remember to stay tuned and watch up until the end of this video. It will be a new website that I've never covered before. If you apply this strategy, you can make more money than other people. So make sure that you don't miss out on this particular video. But before we start, welcome to my channel, where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on making money online, you will be updated and you can start earning fast. And please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below on what country you are in right now, because in that way I can create videos that work for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get back to the video. For companies, a MindSumo website is a way to find ideas from a group of people through the internet. It doesn't matter where you are from. You can do it all over the world. You can work on the MindSumo platform from anywhere in the world, but your age should be at least 18 to earn money from the website. MindSumo connects companies and problem solvers to get innovative ideas. You can sign up on the mindsumo.com website as a problem solver. MindSumo will charge an amount from companies for providing the service. That's how MindSumo makes money. But the question is, can you make money from MindSumo? The answer is yes, you can make money from MindSumo. It doesn't matter your qualification to participate on the MindSumo platform. You don't need any skill to do that. You can do this with a simple Google trick. But if you have deep knowledge of a subject, you can provide a better idea of a challenge. This company has been around for a very long time. This website also works with many big companies such as Coca-Cola, Amazon, Yahoo, Facebook, Dell, Microsoft. We could say that they are totally legit, because if they weren't, these big companies would not work with them at all. I will show you all the steps to actually earn with this method. This is how those people make thousands of dollars for only 20 minutes of work, so stay tuned for that. When you go on this website, you can find different questions, which means many people want specific answers to certain questions. There are a lot of questions that people want to ask, but they don't find a solution themselves because of time. So this is an opportunity for us. We can come on here and answer those questions to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars using Google. So I will show you step by step how to begin earning money on this website. The amount of money you will gain from using this video will vary. Sometimes you'll earn a lot, and sometimes you'll only earn a few dollars. So make sure to watch every second of this video to maximize your earnings. Now I will show you how to sign up on this website to make money. You need to look for this button right here that says sign up. Click on it. This will take you to another webpage where you can sign up for an absolutely free account by filling in these details right here. But you want to look for this text that says register with MindSumo to solve innovation challenges and earn cash. So here you need to enter your first name, last name, location, email address, and password. A speedy suggestion is to use a temporary email account to register on this website. That is because some websites like these send promotional offers to your email, which might end up flooding your email. You might miss some important emails because of this. Now, some of the challenges found on mindsumo.com are restricted to problem solvers of specific demographics. By providing this optional data, you will unlock access to these challenges as they become available. So you can create an account with the MindSumo with the data you already provided, but you also can enter some optional details that you can use to unlock the challenges on MindSumo. You must fill in this optional section because we need the challenges to make money with MindSumo. So enter your birthday and gender. After that, you'll see a section where you'll be asked to rate yourself in the following skill areas. I want you to rate yourselves high proficiency regardless of what your skills genuinely are. Because higher ratings will increase your chances of getting money, this website will ask a few more questions to understand you and your expertise better. So you will answer 2 questions. Why are you interested in using MindSumo? And what types of projects are you most interested in solving? You can fill this up whatever you want. It doesn't really matter now. You don't have to tick these 3 boxes. They will send you their promotional email regularly if you do that, so that you might miss out on some important emails. You have to tick these last 3 boxes and verify this CAPTCHA that proves you are not a robot. Once you have confirmed that all the data is correct, you can click on the Sign Up button. Once you log into your account, you'll see all these different types of questions and projects, which you can quickly answer by using Google and getting paid. You can see so many categories. You can select on the left-hand side, such as business, engineering, computer, science, food science, math and science, humanities and arts. Now imagine how much money you can make with this website. There will be no shortage of money to be made on these websites. New questions, new projects, and new challenges are added every day. Let me show you a project on MindSumo to see how much money people make with this website. You can see the total budget of any project. Now I will show you a simple Google trick and exactly how you'll get paid to search on Google. Come over here and select some of these categories. Simply select any of these projects you like, and you will enter that project now. This method will work with any project or any category that you want. I recommend you choose a category you're interested in because it will help you answer the challenges faster. Now you will be actually using Google to answer this question because Google is the best place to find these kinds of questions. Now what you would do is paste that question into Google. You will find so many articles relating to that question when you do that. As you can see, this is very professionally written. And using an article like this to answer the question will most likely get you in the top 5 winners. But you have to make some modifications first. It's important because if you use any article you find online to answer a question on MindSumo, you will not make any money due to plagiarism. So you need something to rewrite before actually sending it over on MindSumo. To solve this problem, Quillbot.com comes in. Quillbot is an article rewriter tool. This tool will rewrite any article for absolutely free. It's going to come in very handy in this situation. You will need to copy the complete article and then paste it into text editing software like Google Docs. You will want to copy smaller parts of the article onto Quillbot to rewrite them. You want to do this because there are some word limitations in the free version of Quillbot, so you can't paste the whole article here. I think this isn't a big problem, because by using Quillbot you can rewrite any article in 5 to 10 minutes. But if you do it manually, it could take hours to do. You have to check for mistakes after rewriting them. This might take a bit more time, but you want to do this because Quillbot is a web application. Some parts of your article won't make sense, so you have to correct them, and it won't take that much time. Once you rewrite the article with Quillbot and check for any mistakes, you will now want to send that answer over to these people who will pay you for that. You will send them an article instead of some short answer. There is a big chance that they will pay you for it. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.